Microsoft officially ended support for Windows Subsystem for Android in March 2025. That means you can no longer install it from the Microsoft Store. But that doesn't mean it's gone for good. In this video, I'll show you how to install WSA manually on Windows 11. This method works perfectly still today and lets you run Android apps smoothly. Whether you want to use the Google Play Store or Sideload APKs, this step-by-step guide has everything you need. So let's get started. WSA is no longer in the Microsoft Store, but we can still install it using a safe package from GitHub called WSA builds. I've added the link in the video description. Simply open this page and click on the latest release. Scroll down to the Assets section. If you want Google Play Store support, download the GApps version. This version includes Google Play services and works without Amazon App Store. There are also other builds with root support like Magisk or kernel ISU, but we'll stick to the basic GApps version in this video. Click the file to start downloading. It's around 700 MB. Once done, extract the zip file. Before installing WSA, you need to turn on two features in Windows. Click on Start and search for Turn Windows Features on or off. In the window that opens, find these two options: Virtual Machine Platform and Windows Hypervisor Platform. Tick both boxes. If you are using Windows 11 Home, you might only see Virtual Machine Platform. That's okay. Just enable what you have. Click OK and restart your PC when asked. After reboot, open Settings. Go to System, then For Developers. Turn on Developer Mode. Click Yes when prompted. This allows you to install apps from outside the Microsoft Store. You are now ready to install WSA manually. Now go to the folder you extracted earlier. Find the file name run.bat. This is the installation script. A PowerShell window will open. It will install Windows Subsystem for Android. It will also add Google Play Store to your system. When it automatically opens the Google Play Store, the installation is done. You can now close PowerShell. Next, we'll set up WSA and get it running. Click on Start and open Windows Subsystem for Android. Open the Files window. This will start the Android system in the background. After that, just minimize this window, but do not close it. Now go to the Advanced Settings and turn on Developer Mode. After that, you'll see an IP address like this. This means WSA is running and ready to connect. In the Memory and Performance section, you can change the subsystem resources to continuous for fastest app loading. This keeps WSA running in the background and speeds up performance. If your PC has enough RAM, increase it from the default. This helps apps run smoother, especially games or large apps. Scroll down to Graphics Preference. If you have a GPU, set it to high performance. This improves graphics quality and smoothness in the Android apps. Now open the Google Play Store from your Start menu. Sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, you can search for any app. All apps you install will also show up in your start menu. You can launch them like any normal Windows app. To sideload APK files, you'll need ADB tools. Go to the official Android developer website and download the platform tools for Windows. Extract the zip file. Now open command prompt in this directory. Next, enter this command to connect ADB to WSA. If you get a firewall alert, allow ADB through. If it says connected, you are ready to install apps. Now copy and paste your APK file to Platform Tools folder. To show you, I am going to install WSA APK. Now, enter this command to install the APK. After a few seconds, it will say success. The app will appear in your start menu. Click it to open and run just like a native app. That's how you can install and run Android apps on Windows 11 in 2025. Even after Microsoft ended support, WSA still works with this method.